Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we want to solve this viral exponential equation. Okay, solution. Now, this can also be written as 6 raised to power m over 3 raised to power m minus 3 raised to power m over 3 raised to power m equals to 5. Right? By the time we simplify this, we get this. Okay, so from there, 3 raised to power m can cancel 3 raised to power m, and that gives 1. So we have 6 raised to power m over 3 raised to power m minus 1. This gives 1 equals to what? Equals to 5. Right. One of the laws of exponent says that if we have a raised to power x over b raised to power x, it's same thing as a over b raised to power x, because that x belongs to both a and b. And that's what we are doing here. So this becomes 6 raised to power m, that is 6 over 3, everything raised to power m, equals to, we take this minus 1 is a constant to the other side and becomes 5 plus 1. All right, now 3 here 1, 3 here is 2, so we have 2 raised to power m equals to 5 plus 1 is 6. Now let's take the log of both sides, take the logarithm of both sides, okay, and then when you take the logarithm of both sides, this becomes log 2 raised to power m equals to log 6, and then we can take this m, it's a power, you can take it to the back, here it becomes m log 2 equals to log 6. And then for us to find them, we divide both sides by what? By log 2. Alright, so divide both sides by log 2, so that this log 2 will cancel this log 2. And we have m equals to log 6 over log 2. Log 6 is equivalent to 0.7782, while log, this is log 6, okay, while log 2, this is log 2, is equivalent to 0.3010, and that's what we are writing here. So it means m is equals to log 6 is 0.7782 over log 2 is what? 0.3010. Right, so this cancel this, and then what we have is 2.585. So m is approximately 2.585. Let's try this. Okay, so let's solve 2 raised to power 2m minus 2 raised to power m over 2 raised to power m equals to 3.